Let's read the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Great job! Write the uppercase letter of the alphabet and find the lowercase letter. M. Look for lowercase letters. Lowercase m. N. Look for lowercase letters. Lowercase n. O. Look for lowercase letters. Lowercase o. Good job! Uppercase m. Lowercase m. M. It is sweet and cool watermelon. There is an M in the watermelon word. M. Watermelon. Uppercase N. Lowercase n. N. It is an elephant with big ears and a long nose. There is an N in the word elephant. N. Elephant. Uppercase O. Lowercase o. O. It is a hippo with a big mouth. There is an O in the word hippo. O. Hippo. Today, we learned the uppercase and lowercase letters of the alphabet M, N, O, words for watermelon, elephant, and hippo. Great job!